Improving access to resources while preserving and replenishing those resources is what we do at Veolia. Each day we recover non-recyclable municipal waste as a source of economic and ecological energy. In a circular economy approach, incineration of waste can provide municipalities and industrials with electricity, heating and processed steam. Here's how and why at a glance. Collected by dump trucks, the waste is delivered to the incineration plant where it is weighed and then passed to the unloading dock. It is then tipped into a pit that is sufficiently big to provide continuous infeed for the plant. Remotely operated, the grabs have a dual function. They mix the waste to make it homogeneous, and they feed the combustion furnaces. In the control room, the technicians control the facility's operation and the quality of the atmospheric discharge. The waste is tipped into hoppers to supply the furnaces and then burnt at a very high temperature. The plant is maintained under negative pressure to prevent any odours or off-gas from escaping. The clinker, the solid residue from incineration, is removed by a conveyor belt and stored. It will be recycled as earth-moving material for sub-base roads. The acids in the off-gas are neutralised in a reactor by injecting lime and sodium bicarbonate, to which is added activated carbon to absorb the dioxins and heavy metals. Bag filters retain the dust, salts and other solids which will be sent to a hazardous waste landfill. The incineration of waste generates energy which will now be recovered. The heat is captured by the water tubes installed in the boiler walls. The heated water is converted into high-pressure steam in a tank. This steam, superheated in high-temperature exchangers, is sent to a cogeneration plant. Cogeneration both produces electricity and recovers residual heat. This steam drives a turbine which, coupled to an alternator, generates electricity. The electricity is fed into the public grid. The residual heat, generally lost, is recovered here in a heat exchanger to supply the local residents with heating or hot water. By transforming non-recyclable waste into a source of renewable energy, our circular economy solutions reduce the volume of cities' waste and their carbon emissions.